Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impressions on Elsie. I ordered them online. I've been wanting to try them for a while, so I thought, why not? With the pre-filming, why not take the chance to do this? Well, I still had some time. So yeah, I just want to say if my camera angle seems funny or where I'm looking, I am still learning this setup, and I feel like I'm not going to have a whole lot of time to figure it out until my kids get out in just a few short days. So I only have about 3 or 4 days to film maybe another 6 videos, I think it is. So just to get me through 1 a day a week, and that's my summer schedule for now. So yeah, so just please work with me and the lighting and everything while I figure it all out. Little by little, I will get it to be much better. And yeah, so if you guys are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and click that little notification bell down below. And if you guys have any videos you would like to see, please let me know down below, and I will try to make that happen before I go on my trip. If not, I will make them happen after I get back and my kids go back to school, which is only 2 months of summer, so it will give me time to get prepped and get ready for all that stuff. And yeah, so if you guys are interested to see my first impressions thoughts on the Elsie brand, please stick around. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face, and I'm going to go ahead and go in, instead of using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to add that extra moisture and stuff, I'm going to do the Elsie Hydra Enhancer and Alkaline Facial Mist. And the bottle looks like this. Let's see if the bottle's glass, which I love. It's gorgeous. I love the gold detail. So yeah, we're just going to mist it all over the face. This smells really good. It kind of smells, it says it's infused with jasmine, and this is supposed to balance, complex press, and set makeup. So you can use this to set and prep your skin for makeup. So for traveling, even though this is glass, which I mean, glass is gorgeous. I mean, I don't know if you would recommend. I would recommend traveling with glass, unless you're going to carry it with you on your carry-on so it doesn't get broke. But to cut down on space, you could bring this and set and prime your face with this. I like that. It's formulated with natural oxidants and the facial sprays neutralize free race. It's for all skin types. So yeah. Whoops. So it says use dampened sponge or brush before skincare or makeup for maximum benefits. That's a creator's tip. So yeah, so we're gonna set that aside. I'll just put that there, and we're gonna go in with the Elsie Pearl Radiance Primer. This box is another gorgeous thing, and let's see, it says shake well, apply 1 to 2 pumps under fingertips, and smooth over clean, dry skin on face and neck. Let's see, it's an oil-free, water-based primer. Let's see, smooth, seamless, and satin-like finish to brighten the complexion, with a touch of pearl, boosting illumination for a healthy and radiant glow. It says it minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. And this is the bottle. Another glass bottle with the pretty gold detail. Okay, so I'm just going to I pumped 2 And I'm just going to rub it between my fingers. And this doesn't have a horrible smell to it. I feel like, I don't know, like the smell's not bad, but it does make your skin feel very nice. And I'm just gonna pull up my mirror here. It does give your skin like a nice little like illuminated look, but I don't feel like it did anything to my pores, so we'll see. And excuse this, guys. Mother Nature, for my skin has decided to just, I say Mother Nature, but it's not Mother Nature, it's just my skin acting out for some reason. I woke up with it this morning, and it's always fabulous to wake up to something like that on a filming day. So I am going to go in with the LC Micro foundation. All the boxes are the same, and this is a says it blends effortlessly on your skin, leaving the appearance of smooth, flawless matte finish. A lightweight application diminishes any skin imperfections and enhances a healthy glow to the skin. For a day-long coverage, minimum touch-up required. Lightweight, anti-aging, blendable. Mild transferred. This whole bunch of free stuff. Vegan-free, gluten, cruelty, HD coverage. It also has green tea extract, white tea extract, and vitamin E. Sounds like it's pretty healthy for the skin. And this is what the bottle looks like. I'm really feeling this packaging, guys. It's gorgeous. So I'm just going, and it has a pump. Sorry, guys. Just like the other one. And I just did one pump. Let's start off with one pump and work our way if we need more. I'm just going to dab it all over. And normally I take a brush, but today I'm just going to take my good old Morphe sponge and dab it all in. I know that the sponge is soaking up some of it, so I'll have to probably do a second layer just to get a full idea of the coverage of it. But I've just been wanting to kind of switch it up just a little bit. And the shade doesn't seem to be too bad. It blends in quite well. I think if I would have used a brush, it would have been probably a little less. I wouldn't have to go in with the second one, but because I used a sponge instead of the brush as well, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a second one. A second pump, and I'm just going to dab that all over. And just kind of and then just take the sponge and go back over. It does blend out very nicely. It doesn't seem to take much effort at all to blend in. Okay, so before I set my face with powder, because I'm not going to do any of that on screen, I'm just going to do all that stuff off camera. But looking at it as I'm blending it and everything, between the foundation and the, sorry guys, primer, these two combinations do make your skin have a nice little dewy look. So what I'm going to do to try to stick with that, I will set my face with illuminating powder to try to keep that illuminated look, because I feel like this got that natural little bit of illuminating look to it. Even though it says it's a matte, I feel like between the primer and that, it kind of gives it a nice little look, and I feel like it would be really nice look for summer. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead. Well, yeah, it's a little matte, but the primer is peeking through some. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off camera, and I will get back on and give you guys my full thoughts. Okay, so now that I've finished my makeup, I will link everything that I did use on top of the foundation and stuff, so you guys could just know what I used. But I have to say, I looked at it. I also set my face with the LC Hydra Mist, and I actually do like the finished result of my skin with all the products that I've used. I still feel like I have that slight glowy little bit, not a whole bunch, but a little bit from the products that the LC did leave behind after. So I would have to say that my skin does not feel like it has anything on it. The only thing that I feel a little bit is heavy here, but that is due to the concealer that I used, I believe. I didn't feel that way when I was applying the foundation or while I was doing my other makeup. It's just in this area from the concealer. But other than that, my face does not feel like I have anything on. It feels great. I feel like the after look is amazing. And as you guys know, I am going on a trip in a couple weeks, and even though it's glass, I think I will be bringing this with me just because I am loving the finish. Oh, excuse me. I am loving the finish, and I do like the thought that I only need to bring this with me to save some space. All you makeup people who travel, you guys know that sometimes it's just a little difficult to decide what to bring, especially when you're going to be gone for a long period of time. I'm leaving for about 3 weeks, so it's a long time to try to figure out what you're going to need for makeup and what you're going to wear, because you're not going to wear the same thing over and over. You want to change it up. So yeah, so my recommendations is definitely, I think you guys should try this stuff. It is I love it. I love how it applies. Love how it blends out. I love the after finish. I love the way my skin looks. I just love the product. And so yeah, so that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression / review type kind of deal. Well, I guess it's more first impressions, not review. My first impressions of these products. And yeah, so I've got nothing else to say, but I love you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.